Hello, this is my first assignment of week 2. My name is Alina Dipton. Hi students, how are you doing? How's your mood today? Great. Well, we have a lot of things to cover today. First of all, we're gonna talk about such things as informal language and slang. What do you know about slang? Yeah, these are examples of some informal language. Sometimes these words might be quite rude, sometimes they might be not actually applicable for business contexts or official communication, but they are very, very popular in speaking in everyday life situations when you deal with your friends, when you deal with your relatives, and so on. So it's very important to know some of these words, and we'll be able to learn them with the help of the episodes that you will be watching. Today we will be working with the first episode of such series as Scrubs. This is an American series, so we will get further to that. But first, I would like you to open our presentation on slide number 2, where we have some text bubbles. So try to think about some examples of informal language that you would like to insert into these speech bubbles. Just brainstorm all possible suggestions that you have ever heard about. Yeah. All right. Great. So I see some brilliant examples. Are you insane? Yeah, that's a great one. Are you nuts? Yeah, good. Dude. Oh, I like this one. Yeah. When can we use it? All right. Great. Now let's open slide number 3. Yeah, there is a picture. Actually, this is a poster from this series, Scrubs. So look at those faces. Do they seem familiar to you? Maybe you saw them somewhere. Oh, you did watch this series. Great. Could you say a couple of words to the other students about this episodes? Nice. All right. So, before we start watching this episode, I would like you to know, not to know, but to learn more about some strategies that we might use in case we don't know some unknown words. So, what do you usually do when the word is unknown and you don't want to use the dictionary? So you need to work with a partner and brainstorm all possible strategies for guessing the words from the context in case you don't want to use a dictionary. So what might be helpful? Think about that and stick your ideas on the Jamboard using the stickers. We did that last time, if you remember, but in case you still have some questions, please don't hesitate to ask me or your partner, all right? All right, now please follow the link that we have on slide 5. Here we have an article about different strategies that we can use in order to guess the meaning of the words. You have a couple of minutes to look it through. Yeah. Okay. So now please compare your suggestions that you have on Jamboard with the suggestions that you have in the article. So what are the best strategies? Let's talk about that. All right. So right now let's try to guess the meaning of the unknown words that you have on the frame, on the next frame. Yeah. So you have different words on the stickers. What do they mean? Let's discuss them. So those words that you don't know about, please use the strategies that we have just discussed and that you have just learned about. and try to guess the words from the context. Here is the link to the episode that we're gonna watch. So before we start watching, I would like you to use the combination of letters, of buttons, Control F. So find the words in the context together with your partner and discuss them together. Try to guess the meaning of the unknown words. Right, so you have some questions. So still, if you have some questions, if something is still not clear, so let's discuss these words together. All right, so now try to watch the episode. Let's watch the first 3 minutes of the episode. Try to find some expressions that we have just covered, that we have just discussed. Okay, and try to guess the meaning of the words, and also try to guess what the whole episode will be about. Okay, good.